Hi guys, all are welcome to SL Motherland. Today we are taking you to beautiful Deniyaya, located in Maturata district of southern province in Sri Lanka. Fatna Sliding Rock, the most suitable place for a family day out. Most people come here to enjoy by sliding on the rock and bathing. This is surrounded by a range of mountains, and the cold breeze gives an amazing relief to your body. This water stream plunges to a rock with a small incline. Natural pools can be seen at the end of each rock. This is why it is being called as the Burus Gala or the Sliding Rock. In recent, this place has become popular among the local travelers. During the weekend, this place is full of local travelers. One thing to remember, don't use liquor in this place, as most have already met with accidents. Some have destroyed the environment by throwing plastics and other waste. It is not suitable to visit here in rainy days as the water level of this place increases. So, we kindly invite you to enjoy visiting this beautiful place. Keep in mind to leave the nature as it is. Thank you.